The other two parts of the menu I want to talk about them are these two that we will see here, that we can use them for different purposes. So this one here, if you come in on the view tab here, click on the view tab, it will tell you that what is going to be shown, and this one is this navigation bar here. So this is the navigation bar, and it gives you some tools to work with. For example, one of them is this pan that you can click on that, and it lets you to move the canvas anyone you want. So it doesn't move the object; it moves the entire canvas. So you can use it, and as soon as I press the escape, it will finish. The other one is this one that's is gonna be the zoom. So it's gonna, if you click on the arrow here, it gives you some options for the zoom and says what you want. So by default, when you have it here is on zoom to extend. So when you click on that, it's gonna zoom everything you draw is gonna zoom on that entire drawing that you have, or drawing space that you have. Or you can, for example, you come here, zoom on windows. If there's any windows you want to zoom in, so you click on that, and then you choose the zooming windows, and it's going to zoom on that windows. Also, so this one that I would in the 3D drawing, when you are in 3D drawing, it lets us to rotate the object along the axis if we want to look at our 3D drawing from the different angle. So this is the navigation bar, and we can come here and turn it on or off if we want it, in case so it's there. The other one that I want to the other one that I want to mention is the this view cube here, and this view cube is the way that we can control which direction we are looking at the object that we have. So for example, here you see these two arrows. If I click on them, it's going to start to rotate the object I'm doing. So it's just rotated. It's rotated. It's rotated. So you can rotate one you want, or which angle you want to look at it. If you come here and click on that home button here, is going to take you to 3D viewing. So if you click on that, you'll see that it takes you 3D view, and look at the axis here is going to be X, Y, and Z. So it will show you which axis is X, which axis is Y, and which axis is going to be the the Z axis that you have here. Again, if you look at this cube here, you will see that it tells you which view is top, which view is left, which view is front. So basically it says its front is sitting here. It means that if you look at it from this direction, that's where it's considered as front, and this is the left, and this is the top part of that. And here is down here, you'll see it's the coordinate system that let me do. So this is the coordinate system. If you click on that, so it shows you the coordinate system you have. If you have the another coordinate system defined, you can switch between the coordinate system here. If you want to go back to where we were working, you just come here and click on that top, and it will goes back to top view. So it was what we have as before. Again, that view cube is here that you can turn it on or turn it off if you want to see it or don't want to see it in case. And also the red ones is the coordinate system next to that.